Every day, a great amount of water is wasted, especially in our homes. Like in our water tanks, when the water tanks is filled, it overflows, and due to this, a great amount of water is wasted. As soon as you reach to the motor and turn it off, the water still flows and water is being wasted. In today's video, I'm going to tell you that how can you make a little device which will not even cost you 100 rupees, and you can make it and you can prevent the water flow and store water, and that device is water alarm. So assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel A.A Shaikh. Let's begin. My idea, and I hope you will make this device water alarm and attach it at your water tank, and this will prevent from water flow, and this will also save a lot of water, not only water but also electricity, because you will come to know that water is about to be filled in tank and you will turn off the motor, thus it will also save electricity. So I hope you like the video. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button, and also share your reviews in the comment section, and you can also follow me on Instagram, the link in the description, and you can also like my Facebook page. So that's for today. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.